Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in SolidWorks software. So you can see I choose this 2D drawing. This is a plumber block body part. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel friends. So you can see the base dimension is 168, height is 14 mm and width is 36 mm. Select sketch, select front plane, select line, give the dimension. This is 168 mm and height is 14 mm. This is 4 mm. Select both the lines and give the equal constraint. Select midpoint, select origin point and give the midpoint. So sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Select here midplane. Dimension is 36 mm. Click OK. So our base is ready. Now select top surface, sketch, select circle, create one circle. Dimension of the circle is R43 mm. R43 into 286 mm diameter. Select this line and this line. Select convert entities. Select trim entities. Trim remaining lines, unwanted lines. Click OK. Finish sketch. Extrude. Height is 55 minus 14 mm. Click OK. Next is, you can see there is a center on cutout. That dimensions are 44, 38, 12 mm and 3 mm heights, and diameter of the arc is 38 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select line, select this line, select vertical, select center line, create on center line. Now give the dimensions. 44 divided by 2, 38 divided by 2, height is 12 mm. This height is 3 mm. Now select circle, give the dimension. Diameter is 38 mm. Select circle midpoint and this line end point. Give a horizontal constraint. select mirror about, select center line, click OK. Trim remaining lines. OK. Delete this dimension. Select line, joint. Click OK. Select extruded cut. Select here through hole. Click OK. Next you can see there is a one cutout, that dimension is R5, slot length is 5, slot length is 8 mm, and pitch of the cutouts is 130. Select the surface, sketch, select slot, give the dimension, this is 8 mm and R5. Select center line here, create on center line, give the dimension from the center line, pitch is 130 divided by 2. Okay, select this entire sketch, select mirror about, select center line, click OK. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through hole, click OK. So after that you can see bottom side there is a 2 cutouts, that cutout dimensions are both the side 8 mm and from the center axis also 8 mm. Overall cutout width is 68 mm. Length of the cutout is 68 mm. Sketch, select one corner rectangle, give the dimensions 8 mm. Length is 68 mm. So from here to here 8 mm. So select center line, give the dimension from center line 8 mm. So select this entire sketch, select mirror, finish sketch, select extruded cut, give the dimension 2 mm, click OK. Select fillet, okay, fillet we can give later. So next you can see there is a 2 holes. The diameter is 10.5 mm and pitch of the holes is 62. This surface sketch. Select circle. Give the dimension 10.5. Pitch of the circle is 62. Select from here to here 31 mm. Select this point, give a horizontal constraint. Select center line. Select this hole. Select mirror. Select mirror about center line. Click OK. Finish sketch. Select extruded cut. Select through hole. Click OK. So select this surface, sketch. Can see there is a 2 cutouts, bottom square cutout, that is 20 by 20, depth is 5 mm. For that, select center rectangle. Give the dimension 20. This is also 20. Select center line. Select this sketch. Select mirror entities. Mirror about center line. Click OK. So finish sketch. Select extruded cut. Here give 4 mm depth. Click OK. So 2 cutouts are ready. Now you can see there is a center one hole is pending, that is dia 6 mm, depth is 6 mm. So select the mid plane, sketch, select the front plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension. This is 3 mm and height we want 6 mm. These two center point, 18 plus 6, 24. Okay, 24 is, give 18 only. Okay. So increase this 8 mm. Now 90 by 2. click OK, select revolve, select revolve cut, select this center line, click OK. Can see wall has created. Save the part. Save as a body. Assign the material here. Go to metal. In the metal, steel. In the steel, we can go with sand blasted, yeah, because all the bodies are castings only, sand blasting castings. Okay friends, that's it today's session. Please I requesting to subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video.